nieces and nephews, welcome back to Auntie's Kitchen. Yes, Auntie No's Kitchen is open again, and today we're going to be making some Southern style dressing. Yes, Southern style cornbread dressing made with cornbread. Okay, cornbread, not Jiffy Mix, not stovetop. We're making grandmama's dressing. Okay, so give Auntie a moment. And thank you for your love and support to my channel. And for those of you that are running through here, just grab a chair, sit a spell, and become a part of our big happy family, okay? So give me a moment, and I'll do a flip and a swip, or a swip and flip, or whatever I call it. You know what it means. You know what Auntie means. And we're going to show you, we're going to get started on everything that you need. You can make this too, okay? Okay, you're going to need some cornbread. You know, make your nice, good pan of cornbread, okay? Make you a nice good pan of cornbread. Now, this pan of cornbread is I made it in one of these. I made a nice, thick pan of cornbread. And I always start off with nice, clean hands, guys. Okay, and to this, I got some chicken broth. Now, this is my chicken. This is my chicken stock that I had when you guys, I like to have my own stock on standby. No, I don't trim the fat off of it because we need all that goodness in here with this dressing, in this cornbread. Oh, there's a bell pepper. I didn't take that out when I froze it. Ooh. Let's get that out of there, because I have some fresh chopped up bell pepper for that. I froze all that goodness I see. Throw that over there for a little housekeeping. Make sure I don't have any more bell peppers in here. There's one. I tell you. That's okay. Good to go. We're gonna pour this. This is good. This is good stock, honey. Good stock. That's what I'm talking about. When you got some good stock, all that goodness in here. Oh, see there? I tell you, when I froze this, I didn't take my celery out either. Okay, I'm gonna stir this around, get that all moisturized. Okay, get this all moisturized. Yeah, what makes some good dressing is when you got some good chicken stock, okay? Turkey stock, or if you're baking a turkey, you take that stock, you use that. And all this is gonna break up. What little chunks I have, it's gonna break up. Okay, I'm gonna add some black pepper. Add me a little tablespoon of black pepper. Yeah. Grandmama talking to me, honey, about this black pepper. Don't worry. It won't kill her. You won't be overpowered by black pepper. I'm going to have a tablespoon tablespoon of sage. Gotta have that sage now. Now, gotta have that sage. That Southern dressing, honey, come with that sage in it. You gotta have that sage in it. Okay, got me some milk here. Put me a little milk in there. See, my little light bulb's starting to go out on me. Better not go out now. You hear me, light? Breaking up any large chunks of cornbread, because I cooked my cornbread last night. Yeah, I cooked my cornbread last night. Okay, gonna add me cream of chicken soup. Now, I don't like dry dressing. I do not like dry dressing. Can't stand it. No, sorry, Bob. Don't like dry dressing. I like my dressing to be nice and moist. I wanted you to be able to not having to. Okay, I'm using 4 cans of cream of chicken soup. Well, that's the plan. And I have my eggs over there. My eggs will be last because I need to taste this to make sure that I got enough sage in it. I want to make sure I have enough sage in. I already have my oven going at 400, so I already have my oven going at 400. I tell you, I'm making a mess, but that's okay. Put a little salt. A little salty, tasty. Okay, I'm gonna taste this to make sure it tastes good enough for Mother. I have me a little flour, but I need to taste it to make sure I have enough sage in it. Tasty. I'll use a little more sage. That's why you tasty. Tasty. You know, my husband can eat this stuff. He eats this year round. I have to I make dressing year round. Yes, I do. Year round, I make dressing. Get me a spoon. Tasty. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm gonna add some flour. Add a little bit of flour. See, that's what I get for being hard-headed. Okay, now I have celery, bell peppers, and onion very finely minced up because they don't like big chunks of veggies in their dressing, and neither did I. So I'm going to dump all of this in here. Oh, that's a big chunk of pepper. Whole food processor didn't do its job. Gonna get fired. And that's why I don't see, in my opinion, this is I'm talking about the way I cook. I don't see any use in using cream of celery soup because I have celery in here. I have my bell pepper. I have my onion. I have all the flavoring that I need to make good cornbread dressing. And back in the day, coming with grandmama, they didn't have cream of celery soup and cream of mushroom. And I don't know where that came from. And so I got this all in here. Now I have 4 eggs. They're already beaten. I'm going to get my eggs in here. Get all that goodness out of there. Yeah, even the raw eggs is goodness because it's going to help bake this stuff up. I'm going to stir this around. Get this all well blend it. But deal with these eggs, you got to make sure it's all nice and blended. Nice and blended. Because you don't want to cut into your dressing, now, nieces and nephews, and see a streak of yellow egg that hasn't mixed in. You don't want to see that. Right? And so, this is all blended. So I'm going to move this out the way. Put my little tea kettle over here. And I'm going to I got my pans here. La 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 la. And I'm going to spray them down, and then I'm going to fill those and get them in the oven. I'm going to use my 2-cup measure to spoon this because I can't lift this. I cannot lift that bowl. So I'm going to be spooning this into my pan. That is 1. We're going to work on 2. May end up with 3, look like it. But I think I'm just going to fill this one a little bit higher. Get this one in the oven. I did end up with 3. I did end up with 3 pans. And so this is going into the oven. Guys, this new oven that I have, it has 3 racks, and I have fallen in love with that feature. Okay, so I will see, this is going to bake for an hour and a half at 400 degrees. It's going to bake about an hour and a half because dressing does take a pretty good amount of time to bake, and I want it done. I want it pretty and brown, nice, and I want it brown on the bottom. Okay, so Auntie will see you guys in a bit. All right, nieces and nephews, the dressing is all done. I got 3 pans, 1, 2, and 3 out of that. So I did dig into it so you guys can see. This pan is hot. Look at there. And so I'm going to bring up a little scoopy. It ain't dressing without some cranberry sauce. Yum, yum, yum. And I did those smothered turkey wings earlier in the upload. So it's going to be some good eating, guys. Some good eating. Thank you guys for hanging out with Auntie and completing this southern cornbread dressing. Yes, cornbread dressing. Not made with Jiffy. No. Real cornbread where you got to make grandmama's cornbread to start off with, and then you add all that southern goodness and all that love, and you mix it all up in there. So thank you guys for all your love and support to my channel, and hugs and kisses to each of you. I love you. And to the next upload, I will see you later because I'm going to have me some of this with some cranberry sauce. I don't want any turkey wing, okay? All right, talk to you later. Bye.